This video was recorded using a Moto G Stylus phone. Great phone, great price, totally recommended. Alright, so let's go take a look at myactivity.google.com and let's see if I can restore my privacy off the web. So let's see what we have here. So we have view more activity, find and manage other data associated with your account in My Activity. So let's go scroll down through this and see what we have just to give you an idea of how much tracking is involved. So we have web and app activity, includes the things you do like Google services, maps, search, play, and so on. We have YouTube history, saves the YouTube videos you watch and things you search for on YouTube. Location history, saves where you go with your devices. Yeah, personalized maps and more. Other activity, Google Ads settings. We all know what that is. YouTube channel subscriptions. You are subscribed to this channel, right? Don't make me call Sicily. YouTube not interested feedback. Your not interested feedback is used to remove videos from your YouTube recommendations. Okay? YouTube survey answers. Okay, YouTube surveys appear in the interface. You've seen these before based on demographics, interests. Comments on YouTube. View, edit, and delete your public comments and replies on YouTube. YouTube community posts. View and delete your likes, dislikes, and votes on YouTube community posts. YouTube live chat messages. View and delete your public chat messages on YouTube live videos. Phew. YouTube likes and dislikes. See and delete your likes and dislikes on YouTube videos. See and delete your YouTube purchases activity, like videos you've bought and services subscribed to. Google Word Coach. Your Word Coach answers, I never heard of this. Your Word Coach answers are used to personalize your game experience. Okay. Place answers. Manage your answers to questions from Google about places, including places you've been. Place suggested answers, feedback. Your feedback on suggested answers to placed questions is used to improve suggestions that you and others may see on Search Maps and Assistant. I need a drink. Your interests and notifications. This includes topics you follow, movies you've liked, disliked, events you've saved, and some notifications. Call and message information. If you use Google services to make and receive calls or send and receive messages like Google Fi, Voice, Google may save information about your call. Google Play Library. See and delete your Google Play library activity like your app, movie, book purchases. News preferences. See and delete your preferences about news. Purchases and reservations. Manage your purchases and reservations made using Search Maps Assistant and the Assistant. Gboard. Is that a game? Gboard, learned words. Your Gboard, Your Gboard long words help you with spelling and to predict searches you might be interested in when synced learned words. Google App Podcast Subscription. See and delete the podcasts you're subscribed to with the Google app. Are we done yet? Oh boy. Google Podcast Preferences. See and delete your preferences about Google Podcast show and episode recommendations. Google Survey Answers. See and delete your answers to survey questions from Google. Data Archive History. See your history of data archives that you've created, downloaded, and exported from the Google products you use. How much longer? Are we done yet? Download your data from My Activity. Exported data of your data, or data, come to data, Export your data on, I'll skip that. Data is shared for research. If you participate in Google research studies, your responses may be saved with your Google account. You can download your response data by selecting the I'm screwed research tab and go from there. Chrome history. When you use Chrome Sync without a passphrase, you can see and delete history across your sync devices. Learn more about bookmark services and other things such as aspirin. Which I need one right now. Product price tracking. Your tracked prices are used by Google Shopping to send you price drop notifications. Okay, well that can come in handy. Google Shopping order activity. See and delete your Google Shopping order activity like items you purchased through Buy with Google. Google Assistant routines. Your saved routines enable Google Assistant to do multiple things for you with just a single command. You can also run routine alarms like an alarm. Voice and face match enrollment. Okay. See and delete your voice and face match enrollment. Thank God I have a pretty face. Crisis response user reports. Oh, I'm in trouble now. These reports, crisis response products are designed to inform you about emergencies and other extreme events. Man, this video is becoming an extreme event. Thank goodness I have Motrin right here. Google Play books feedback. See and delete the books you've marked. Okay. Translate language selections. My God, did this take us too long? Dictionary and pronunciation search info about how you use dictionary and pronunciation. Google search can help you improve your future experience. Stadia store. Let's play. See and delete your Stadia store activity, such as purchases, subscriptions, codes, redemptions, and other content you claim. Assistant memory. I'm losing my mind now. Google Play experience. Manage how the things you do and keep when using Google Play. Personalize your experience. Your business information. Well, it's none of your business. Haha. Google may occasionally ask if you manage a business. Is this over yet? Google Podcast episode queue. Your episode queue makes it easy to find and listen to your favorite podcast episodes in the Google Podcast apps. Okay, fine. Hold for me shared video, shared audio. I've never heard of this one. When a business puts you on hold, Google Assistant on Pixel can wait on the line and let you know when the agent is ready to speak. After the call, you may help improve Hold for me by sharing the call audio. Request for services. I request for this to be over. Is this over? This includes interactions between service and businesses and users from time a request is made using search and maps, such as the phone callbacks and next messages. Text messages. Receipts shared with Google Opinion Rewards. If you participate in Google Opinion Rewards, receipt uploads your responses may be saved with your Google account. View and delete your receipts uploaded to Google Opinion Rewards. Dear God.